Hey guys, Andy with Tech Influence here, excited to go over a back-to-school solution here for the Nintendo Switch 2. In front of me I have a bunch of products here that will support those who travel, who are going off college, or for those that have this in their gaming space, their front room, or to have for your weekend LAN night. I'm really excited to go over this really rugged XL travel case that's made out of very durable material that can hold your Nintendo Switch dock, accessories, as well as the Switch and games. You get your scratch-resistant, drop-proof split case protector that enhances the experience, latching around the entirety of the device. It also has these really sleek separate Joy-Con grips, especially those like me who have big hands, that will still fit into the dock and can hold up to 10 cards. You've got a PD Smart 65-watt charging brick with USB-C output that'll support obviously your Nintendo Switch dock, but more importantly we'll be able to charge some of the other accessories here if you want to, up to 65 watts. I'm really excited to go into the school year here with the best back to school products here, but before we do so I have to let you know that this video is sponsored from the folks at JSAUX. Down below in the description will be the product pricing and availability here for all the products that we go over today. Let's go over unboxing and show you here all the products that you can check out here that's perfect for back to school for your Nintendo Switch 2. I've done a very in-depth review here of the Travel XL case. We'll briefly go over it after we've unboxed the rest of the devices. Let's first go over the split protective case that clamshells together, that fits nice and neatly here on your Nintendo Switch. I opted into the blue and red colors that will fit nicely on the dock. The protective case here is made out of polymer material. It's got cutouts there all for your I/O. You can see here that it's going to grip around the bezel here and it's really easy to set up. It's not going to interrupt your kickstand. You're going to want to align here on the top where your cartridges are and your volume rocker, the clip, and then it's just going to grip around the bezel here on those corners, which is nice. It's precisely fit here, cutouts there for fan, looks really nice, and it doesn't interrupt your ability to use the kickstand, which is great as well, and it fits nice and slimly still in your Nintendo Switch dock. Placing on the Joy-Cons are just as simple. You're going to go ahead and put it through the little notch there first, press fit it in there, and it's going to grip, and it has cutouts there. You can see how nicely and precisionally cut it is. It's going to grip around the entirety of the Joy-Con. It's going to bulge a little bit. That fits the contour of your hand, especially your hands that are big like mine. And it's great and easy to be able to place back into the Joy-Con mounts there without protruding out more than it normally does. I like that. Now that you've got the Joy-Cons and the back on there here, we're going to place the top, and this is my favorite part here. It just smoothly grips onto there, giving you a full enclosure while still allowing you to be able to charge if that's something you're interested in. On the top there with this easy to unlatch piece that's going to grip and give you space for your Joy-Cons and even enough space for 10 different cards if that's something you're interested in. This alone here is a great travel companion, and it still allows you access to the kickstand, which I think is great as well. Showing you here in the XL box, it can fit seamlessly here in that top space. You can go ahead and remove these foam pads with the cards there that you can place in, allowing it to still fit inside the XL case and even still fit in the Switch dock. When you place it in there, no problem. It can fit nicely as well without pressing or pushing against any of that. As you can see with the XL case, it can fit your cables and your cords. I also have the charging bank there as well. Let's go ahead now and unbox the charging grip. It's straightforward and easy. This is made out of polymer material and metal. You can see it's got the magnets in there and the adapter to be able to connect to the left and right. It also has the little opaque plastic in there as well to be able to show that you've got connection to your Switch. Showing you here it connects. It's easy. You can integrate it directly into your Switch, allowing you to still be able to game, to play, and have fun. I like that. For me, I need to have a little bit of space between my Joy-Cons, and the provided one from Nintendo Switch, unfortunately, is a little too narrow, but this fits perfectly with the contour, and you've got this charging port. When plugged in, we'll start charging your device here, showing that it's charging red and blue, indicated there there on those LED lights. Now we're going over the PD Smart Charger. What's great about this here is it's got a number of different options, especially mounting, or especially to be able to support whichever grade you've got. You've got the Japanese and the EU. What's great here is it supports the different standards. You've obviously got the American, but if you wanted to adopt the Japanese, you can go ahead and just clip it down that direction and it will allow you to connect to the Japanese or the EU standard here, which is straightforward as well. I like that. My favorite part about this plug is its thinness, its versatility, as well as the braided cable that it comes with. JSAUX has fantastic 100-watt cables. They've got metal fastening as well as a really long cable to be able to stretch further than you normally do. And they build it so minimalist here that it's not going to interrupt or press into any of the other plugs here if you've got a wall strip or something like that to be able to connect into. And then we can go ahead as well, throw in any of the other accessories, open up the top. This will fit a bunch of different cards. And if you want to, you can easily fit your new Joy-Con grips and the device in the slot. It's got this little latch there to be able to hold it into place. And now you've got yourself a very sleek travel companion that's got a nice little briefcase grip, or you've got a shoulder strap that makes it easy to carry along with you for your LAN nights, game nights, in the travel here, or when you go back to school. All in one, all four of these products here fit with your Nintendo Switch as well. With that said, the folks at JSAUX did provide these products to me complimentary and they sponsored this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check them out here as it helps the channel. Thanks for watching. Andy with Tech Influence. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.